Hello, this is Sohanur Rahman. Today I'm going to share a big solution for a big problem. So the video creators and YouTubers are facing a problem with getting ideas about the what to do today, what to upload. We are not getting actually too much information about what to do today, what to upload today in YouTube. So for the creators, small creators, I would love to share. You all know about the this open source AI software. This is ChatGPT. This is in the market is right now in the too much in hype. So I would love to share today how to actually get ideas about YouTube videos on our niche. So if I say my niche is like graphic design, so if I want to get 13 days video ideas about my niche on my niche graphic design, so how ChatGPT will help me. So let's get started. You have to go to chat.openai.com to use ChatGPT. I have also shared the link in my description, video description, so you must check it out. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe my channel to get it and bell the ring icon to stay updated and don't miss any of my videos. Well, so let's start it. So I'm going to ask it write some write 13 video ideas for my YouTube channel on my niche graphic design. So whatever your niche, you will put this. My niche, suppose graphic design. So write three video ideas for my YouTube channel on graphic design. So let's command it and say what is happening. Oh wow, it's actually giving me the ideas like in numbering 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I hope it will go to 13. So like see, designing a logo from scratch. This is a video topic on graphic design niche, creating a branding guide, designing social media graphics. So this is the great for getting video ideas. You can try ChatGPT and watch till the end what's happening here. Well, 26 designing an email template. Oh wow, it's actually insane. So I got 13 video ideas for my graphic design niche to make videos for my YouTube channel. So you can use it for your own. You can give your own niche. So that's all. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know your thoughts on comment section. And yeah, what you want to know more from me about ChatGPT, comment on the video section. Thank you. We'll see you again, guys, in the next video.